Hello, myself Rajesh Bhatt. I'm going to deliver presentation on thermocouples. Basic principle of thermocouple that two wire made of dissimilar materials connected at either end will generate a potential between the two ends that is a function of the material and temperature difference between the two ends is also called Seebeck effect. This is the basic diagram of thermocouple. Thermocouple is a temperature measuring device consisting of two dissimilar conductors that conduct each other at one or more spots. It produces a voltage when the temperature of one of the spots differs from the reference temperature at the other parts of the circuits. This is the basic diagram of thermocouples. Seebeck effect. The Seebeck effect is the conversion of thermal energy into a temperature difference directly into electrical energy or electricity. This effect measures the ease at which excess electrons will circulate in an electrical circuit under the influence of thermal difference. The change in the voltage is proportional to the temperature difference between the junctions when the ends are connected to form a loop. This is the thermocouple measuring circuit diagram. As the junction temperature increases, a small voltage is created in the loop. The voltage produced at the junction of dissimilar metals is due to the phenomena called the Seebeck effect. The higher the temperature at the junction, the greater the voltage produced by the junction. This is the diagram of measuring temperature. Seebeck effect coefficients of different materials J type, K type, N, E and T types. Circuit constructions diagram. Standard calibration setup. The result of calibration is a table of EMF versus temperature values. The integral is never directly evaluated. Instead, a polynomial curve fit to the calibration data gives these relationships. This is the characteristic of thermocouple of different materials: chromel, iron, copper, platinum, rhodium, aluminum and constantan. This is the active type transducer. This is the characteristic between EMF induced voltage and versus temperature. This is also another characteristic graph of J type, K type, E type, R type and S type, T type. This is a Seebeck coefficient curve versus temperature. This is a various type of thermocouples: J type, K type, N type, R type, S type, B type, T type, E type with different tolerance class, color code and temperature ranges. A thermocouple, the rightmost tube inside the bundle assembly of a water heater. This is the application part of thermocouple. This is a thermocouple connection in a gas appliances. The end pole contact on the left is insulated from the fitting by an insulating washer. The thermocouple line consists of a wire insulator and outer metal, usually copper sheath, which is also used as a ground. This is another types of thermocouples. This is thermocouple compression style. The sheath options of thermocouples: sealed sheath, sealed and isolated from sheath, sealed and grounded to sheath, exposed fast response, exposed bead sheath. These are the tabular diagram of thermocouple insulation with various types: maximum continuous temperature, maximum single reading, abrasion resistance, moisture resistance and chemical resistance. Means consumption in thermoelectricity. The EMF generated by the Seebeck effect is due to the temperature gradient along the wire. The EMF is not generated at the junction between two dissimilar wires. This is the basic diagram of thermocouples. Advantage: it is rough in construction, covers a wide temperature range using extension leads and compensating cables, long transmission distance for temperature measurement possible. This is most suitable for temperature measurement of industrial furnace, comparatively cheaper in cost, calibrated Calibration can be easily checked, offer good reproducibility, high speed of response, satisfactory measurement accuracy. Drawbacks: for accurate temperature measurement, cold junction compensation is necessary. The EMF induced versus temperature characteristic is somewhat non-linear. Stray voltage pickup is possible. In many applications, amplification of signal is required. Applications: steel industry, gas appliance safety, thermopile radiation sensors, manufacturing, power productions, thermoelectric cooling, process plants, thermocouple as vacuum gauge. Thanks. These are my references.